Audi S5 General Repairs. Audi is a German automotive manufacturer of luxury vehicles headquartered in Ingolstadt, Bavaria, Germany. As a subsidiary of its parent company, the Volkswagen Group, Audi produces vehicles in 9 production facilities worldwide, capitalizing on the already excellent A5 Coupe and Cabriolet. The 2020 Audi S5 positions itself as the sportier alternative. While the regular 5 has a dutiful turbocharged 4-cylinder, the S version carries a 349 horsepower turbo V6 that delivers truly impressive acceleration. Both the coupe and convertible S5 also glide around corners and smooth down the straights. Combine that with a well-built interior that boasts massaging front seats and upscale materials, and these Audis are just as sophisticated as they are sporty. Those looking for a usable back seat should investigate the S5 Sportback, reviewed separately, and those seeking breakneck performance will want the rowdy RS5 Coupe only. Otherwise, the 2020 S5 hits the sweet spot for sportiness and value. Servicing your Audi S5 is essential to ensure its performance, safety, and longevity. The Audi S5 is a high-performance sports car, and proper maintenance is crucial to keep it running at its best. Here are some common service tasks and best practices for servicing your Audi S5. Scheduled maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule outlined in your Audi S5 owner's manual. This schedule typically includes regular service intervals, such as oil changes, filter replacements, and inspections. Oil changes. Audi S5s are equipped with high-performance engines that require high-quality synthetic oil. Change the oil and oil filter at the recommended intervals to ensure proper engine lubrication and performance. Filter replacements. Replace the engine air filter, cabin air filter, and fuel filter as specified in your maintenance schedule. Clean filters ensure proper air quality and engine performance. Tire maintenance. Regularly check tire pressure and maintain it at the recommended levels to ensure proper handling. Tire wear and fuel efficiency. Rotate your tires as advised to promote even tire wear. Brake inspection. Regularly inspect the brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid for wear. Properly functioning brakes are essential for safety and performance. Fluid check and replacement. Check and top off essential fluids such as engine coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. Replace these fluids based on the manufacturer's recommended intervals. Battery maintenance. Monitor your vehicle's battery health, and replace it if it shows signs of weakness or if it's nearing the end of its lifespan. Suspension and alignment. Periodically check the wheel alignment and suspension components to ensure proper handling and tire wear. Regular inspections. Schedule routine inspections by a qualified Audi technician to identify any potential issues early. Recall and technical service bulletins (TSBs). Stay informed about any recalls or TSBs related to your Audi S5, and ensure any necessary repairs or updates are performed. Professional service. For complex repairs and maintenance tasks, it's advisable to visit an authorized Audi service center or a reputable Audi specialist. Preserve service records. Keep detailed records of all maintenance and repairs performed on your Audi S5. These records can be valuable for warranty claims and resale value. Servicing a high-performance vehicle like the Audi S5 requires specialized knowledge and expertise. It's essential to entrust your vehicle to trained and certified Audi technicians who have experience with Audi models. Regular maintenance and timely service ensure that your Audi S5 continues to provide the performance, comfort, and luxury you expect from a high-end sports car.